Moika's Crafts here. So today's video is a best out of waste video. I'm going to be making a plant hanger or a designer wall hanger. So you can either put plants in this hanger or anything else. So how we make this is we need 5 threads. So this is the first thread. This should be 90 centimeter. This is the second thread. It should be 120 centimeter. This is the third thread. It should be 150 centimeter. And this is the fourth thread. It should be 180 centimeter. And this is the fifth one. This should be approximately around 130 centimeters. Then we need 4 of these glass bottles that you can get after drinking some cool drinks. We need a cutting plier. These tables that we can get on pizzas when we order pizza. We need scissors and a stick. You can use chopsticks. This is a chopstick that I am using. So let's see how to make this. So the first step is to take the cutting plier and cut out the legs. So you should obtain something like this. It should look like a ring. And I used the pizza table because that's what I had. But if you have any other kind of ring that is approximately this size, you can use that. So next you're going to take your 90 centimeter thread. Then you're going to take it through the ring and then pull the threads through the thread and pull it tight like this. Then take the 120 centimeter thread, again repeat the same step. So when you're doing this, what you have to do is that you have to fold it exactly in half so that the two ends meet, and then you're supposed to start pulling the thread out like this. Next, take the 150 centimeter thread and do the same thing. And make sure they're all beside each other. And make sure they're tight as well. Then next we're going to take the 180 centimeter thread and do the same as well right beside them. Like this. They should look like this once you're done. Next we're going to take the 130 centimeter thread and we're going to keep these all aside. Take this and tie a knot. So you just have to tie a normal knot. And make it a double knot. Like this. Now take a scissors and cut this excess out. But don't cut it till the knot, because you're supposed to burn this end so that the threads won't come out separately and they'll stay. Now next, take this thread, take one end, keep it through the ring and get it out like this. And pull it like this. Again, take the end from under the ring, get it out, and from both the sides pull it. Now repeat this all around the ring. So now I finished everything and I did the starting knot at the end as well, and then I cut out the extra thread. At the last we're going to burn it a little bit so that the threads don't separate here and here, and then we're going to keep it under so that it looks neat. Now the next step is to divide all of these two threads like these. Then take the first two at a gap of one finger, which is right here, we have to make a knot. And pull it tight like this. Now repeat it at the same distance on the next 3 threads as well. So it should finally look like this. Then next, again, take these two and then take these 2 threads, one from each, which are side by side, and again measure 1 finger distance and make a knot. Like this. Next, take the next 2 as well and make sure you turn them straight and then knot it. And knot them at equal distances. Again, take the next 2 and knot them. Like this. So now we're going to take the stick and knot the other 2 threads, like the alternate ones. So I already did the first one because it was short. I'm going to show it on the second one. So we're going to take the 2, loop it around and make a knot like this. Now take this one and this one and loop it around and make a knot. These threads will look a little short, but that's okay. Take the final 2 and repeat the same. And finally, it should look like this. So now we're going to tie the bottle around the thread. So my thread was not enough, so I extended it by adding more thread onto the stick and then tying the bottle. So how we're going to tie the bottle is, take the thread and at the ending, circle it around the bottle and make a normal knot. Make sure it's tight and make it a double knot. Like this. Then you can cut the excess and then burn the ends so that the threads don't come out separately. So I tied all the bottles. I hang it to a nail up here and I started filling them up with Orbi balls, water and plants. So I'm going to show it to you on the last bottle. So first we're going to add some Orbi balls into this. So we're gonna add about these many. Then we're going to add some water. I think I'm going to add few more Orbis. And now we're going to put the plant in. So I'm taking this plant. So first we're going to take one part of it and place it through. And take the other part and place that through. It's going to get a little tight. You're going to have to push the plant like this and spread the leaves. So this is how your wall hanging decor should look after you're done. So I also decorated this with paper butterflies, so you can see how to make these paper butterflies in my last video. So this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So the answer to this puzzle is a baby shower, and this is the next puzzle. So you have to find out the missing number, which is this one, based on all the other numbers. So comment down your answers. Let's see who can get the answer first.